is Anya, and welcome back to Anya's World. And today I'm here with my sister Aria.
Hi!
So today we're going to be making moon sand.
Yay!
So for those of you who don't know, moon sand is like kinetic sand. So before we get started, I'm going to go over the ingredients. So first you're going to need 8 cups of flour, 1 cup of oil, and optional, you can use food coloring and add a scent. So I picked jasmine.
And I picked lavender.
So let's get started. So we divided our 8 cups of flour into 4 cups each, and now we're gonna add half a cup of oil. All right, almost there. A little bit more. All right, here you go. Then Aria, you can pour the rest into yours. Got it? There you go. All right, now we're just gonna mix it up. Ooh, it's very oily right now. Is yours also oily?
Yeah.
All right. Now with the flour starting to, the moon sand's gonna still look like flour once it's done, but when you feel the texture, you'll be able to mold it. So we've been mixing for a little while, and the texture feels ready. So let's go in our hands. The texture feels like super soft and clumpy at the same time. What does yours feel like?
It feels like the same thing.
Woohoo! All right, I think we're ready to divide it up. You ready?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm gonna go first. So we're gonna put 2 cups of it into the other one. 1 cup. 2 cups. All right. Now let's do yours. Put it in. 1 cup. Now, 2 cups. There you go. Okay. Got it? Perfect. Now we're gonna add the food coloring. I'm gonna add purple first. 2 drops. 1, 2.
And I'm gonna add green. 1, 2.
All right, so I'm gonna start mixing mine. Okay, get the color out a little bit. Okay, I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. Add maybe like 2 more drops. 1,
I think
2.
I need 2.
Okay, the color's starting to sort of come out. All right, now I'm gonna put my hands in it to see if that will help. You wanna put, okay. All right, sort of see the color. And by the way, this gets very messy, so make sure you do it somewhere where your parents won't get mad at you. So we added a lot more than just 2 drops of food coloring. So as you can see, there's little specks of purple in mine, and it kind of looks like the surface of the moon, so I'm kind of proud of it. So let's go take a look at Aria's. How was yours?
So mine, it's moon sand with green little dots on it.
How does it feel?
It feels so good.
All right, well, let's switch our bowls and do the next color.
Good idea.
Okay, so I'm gonna do blue, and this time we're gonna add a lot more food coloring.
Yeah, and I'm gonna do pink. Dark pink.
All right, that's good for now. I'm gonna start with the spatula. All right. I wonder if the blue's gonna turn out. Okay. Great. So now I'm gonna go in with my hands and see what it feels like. This one's a lot colder. Okay. So it's starting to come out. It's looking a little greenish. How is yours turning out?
It's good. It's kind of like the green one.
But pink.
Yeah.
Okay. Your hands will definitely get messy. Guaranteed. Ooh, now this one's actually like starting to turn blue. Just let's keep mixing them. All right. I think mine's ready. This is what mine looks like. It has some blue specks in it, like the purple, but it's a little bit more blue. All right. So is yours turning out good?
Yeah, it is.
You like the pink, it looks really nice.
And it's just like the green one. It's moon sand, but pink dots.
Oh, all right, so we finished adding all the colors, and the last step is to add some scent. All right, let's add some to here, and some in here. All right, now we're just gonna mix it up a little. It smells really good, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
It smells really good.
All right, well, let's take a look at the final result. So this one looks like cookies and cream ice cream. This one looks like mint chocolate chip ice cream.
This one looks like strawberry, and this one looks like pistachio.
All right, well, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.